Hi, I'm attorney Teresa Rerko from the Quattrini Law Group, and this is your Legal Tip Tuesday. I wanted to talk a little bit today about how we handle a Social Security disability claim here in our office. When you call to schedule an appointment with one of our Social Security attorneys, we will ask you where you would like your intake forms to be sent and should we send them via mail or email. When you get those forms, you may look and think they're a bit overwhelming and that we're asking for a lot of information at that time before you even talk to us. The reason we do that is because we want to give you enough time to fill those out and not be rushed. What we're looking for is information about where you treat for your conditions, names and addresses and phone numbers of doctors or therapists or whomever you treat with, because we know that information is important for a couple of reasons. When we file a claim for your disability, we will need to have that information, and you're the person who can provide it to us. So if we have it at the beginning, we can move faster if we file a claim for you. We also know that that is where you will be providing information in the future to us, helping us to understand what your conditions are, how they limit you, and helping us to understand your situation. We look at that information even on the forms. We may not have the medical records, but we, with our expertise and experience, will have a good idea of where your limitations may be and whether or not we think Social Security will rule in your favor when they decide your case. It helps us to spend a little more time with you when we actually have our first appointment, on the phone or in person if you're in the office, so that we can spend that time getting a little more detail about your life, about your situation. All of that helps us to decide your case and what we can do to try and help you. So that's a quick summary of why we send those forms to you, and we're hopeful that you will have the time and the information to fill them out and bring them in or mail them back to us. Thank you.